Here are 5 secret homemaking tips that you can use to make any living space into a fantastic home. Number 1, personalize your space. Be sure to add personal touches such as family photos, artwork, or any other sentimental item that lines up with your values and personalities. This will help make your space feel more like a home because it won't just be any standard living space. It will be tailor-made to your personalities, interests, and beliefs. This is very important in making any house feel like a home because it has those personalized touches that make it feel very special. Next up, create cozy corners. This is super duper important to do in any space, even a big one. In fact, I would argue that it's probably more important to do it in a big space because they naturally don't feel cozy to begin with. So designate these special areas for comfort and relaxation. Be sure to use plush pillows and soft lightings to turn any of these corners into an even more cozy experience. This can be used for activities such as reading, knitting, or any other quiet time activity that your family might have where they can feel nice, cozy, and relaxed. And those feelings tend to translate into feeling at home. Next up, infuse warmth and textures. Be sure to use cozy pillows and throw blankets to give an area that effect, and warm it up by using bright colors that will help the space feel more like a home. These decorative pillows and other textures will help to add warmth and personality into your living spaces, causing it to feel more like a home. It won't feel as cold or as sterile, even though I do love my grays. I can admit that when I add these fun pops of yellows or cozy blue blankets, it does indeed help my space to become more inviting, and therefore it feels more like a home. Next up, cultivate a sense of community. The number one difference between any random living space and a home, I would say, is a place where you live, love, and laugh with your loved ones. So when you foster that sense of community inside your spaces, you are creating just that. Be sure to have family game nights or any other activities with your loved ones. A lot of times when we don't do these activities, some family members tend to go into their individual corner. So make it an effort to include family dinners, family game nights, or whatever other sorts of family things work for you and your loved ones. You can also be sure to participate in neighborhood gatherings as well as invite extended family members over to continue to foster the sense of community and connections, thus making your space feel more like a home. Next up, incorporate scents and sounds. This is a super important key factor in making your house feel like a home because you have personalized scents and sounds all throughout your space. You can use different kinds of soothing musics throughout your home to help generate that homey feeling. In addition, you can also use different kinds of scents all around your home to include that same kind of feeling. This will help to make your home smell amazing and causing it to feel more like a home. If you need more help in making your home smell amazing, then check out this video here. I have a lot more tips on how to do that, and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.